Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy business intelligence solutions with Domo step by step clearly. Begin by defining your business objectives clearly. Identify the key performance indicators that matter most to your organization. Create a project plan outlining timeline, resources, and stakeholders. Sign up for a Domo account if you haven't already. Navigate to the Domo dashboard after logging in. Familiarize yourself with the user interface and available features. Connect your data sources by selecting the data option from the top menu. Choose the appropriate connectors based on your data sources, such as SQL databases, CRM systems, or Excel files. Authenticate and authorize Domo to access your chosen data sources. Once data is connected, analyze the imported datasets for accuracy and relevance. Utilize the data center to further refine and transform the data as needed. Create calculated fields to derive additional insights from your datasets. Design interactive dashboards by selecting the Dashboards tab. Drag and drop visualizations onto your dashboard from the visual library. Customize each visualization settings to match your specific data needs. Organize your dashboard layout for optimal user experience and clarity. Add filters and date ranges to allow users to interact with data dynamically. Incorporate notes or descriptions for context as necessary. Set up alerts to notify stakeholders about significant changes in data. Test your dashboard thoroughly to ensure all elements function as intended. Share the dashboard with your team or stakeholders by adjusting sharing settings. Gather feedback from users to identify areas for improvement. Iterate on the dashboard design based on user input and evolving business needs. Regularly review and update your data sources to keep insights current. Leverage Domo's sharing and collaboration features to enhance user engagement. Train your team on how to access and utilize your business intelligence solutions effectively. Monitor the dashboard's performance and usage metrics to gauge its impact. Continue refining and expanding your dashboards as your business grows and changes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.